Salbakir would young. Baradu Salbakir young. Baradu Cholton young. Baradu to Torfall done young. Menjala the young. They said, I mal at the Robunuer. I mal Chanwanak is a rebel. Rebel. Nuer a rebel. That's how they've been killing Nuer. Rebel. Baganak, rebel. Bamanak, rebel. Bahognak, rebel. But man kuilel nyaman jang. That's yegi Nuer rule Nuer. But Nuer rebel fi dole but fi mal betaw. Ita gadi shakal ma Nuer fi arad betaw. Nuer bukun rebel kef fi arad betaw. No. Here is the deal. Kayan SPLIO, SPLIG, SPLA Kosum, Nuer don't give a damn. Share youth, roll Nuer, my Charlie, you more judge. I do the Torode, Charlie, you more judge. Corsian, it a jera. Zol al Fatal Mentiga, Zol above Dalma Moton. Zol above Dalma Moton. Lano Moton. Community with a Moton Mabata, SPLIO, SPLIG. So, for example, Kuma Johnny, Kakuma SPLIO. Majika years. Dan Torodo Dengade, Mokuma Batao. SPLIO, Bob Dalma Moton Bata Mayut, Moton Baladong Chok, Moton Bata Auror, Moton Bata Mal. Lagi lo mencakel hukum da denga win. Wes fela ayo jera. Menjige yet. Wes fela ayo chrobar. Pada hukuma. Dan motan dar babda lumal hukuma na. La no. Rol nuare ma bata fela ayo ma bata fela ayo. So you cannot kill civilian because there was SPLIO. Take a kill SPLIO. You declare them as a rebel. Then you kill them. Then you kill them. That's the rebel. Akai Lora Bang. Today, let's say 1 week ago, I came outside. Took Kor what? I said, responsibility for the government of Salva Kiir, Hukuma Dadenga, is to warn the civilian. To only warning the civilian that when they hear, anon ma they didn't modern Pimal Shakala. But Denka can magaramal look at the Kulu Hukuma Dadenga can magaramal Kalamda. Why mean that? Because they consider Nuer as a rebel. Rebel be Jenna, rebel be Mara, rebel be beggar, so they can get killed. Omozabinda Nuer, nobody is talking. Lodo kun fight. Lodo Kong Yorale. Lodo Red Bim. Load guy cook, Riek guy cook, load $1. Nobody is talking. So Nuer become rebel. Nuer become rebel in their own land. Where Denga have to kill them, Denga have to bomb them, children and women. Boktulube yal betam, la woman rebel. I the Toroko I came here and got him in Yalganaza. No. Kai Laura Bang. Nuar ma boko rebel, Fiara the betal. Nuar ma boko rebel fi arad bitaw nan ma gari shagal fi arad bita denga nan ma gari shagal fi arad bita SPLIO nan ma gari shagal fi arad bita SPLIG da arad bita Nuar ma boko rebel fi arad bitaw. So government, when you go fight rebel batak del banades SPLIO, you must give warning. You must give warning to civilian. You must give warning. That's when I hear motanin chaye gor. The responsibility of the government is not a responsibility for rebel. And today, this has happened. God Nuer shamelessly finally came outside. God Nuer matured Luray came outside from Bilfam. Thus, we are ordering civilian of 3 counties of Law. Nyerul, Ekel, Oror, 2, Akoba, Talata, for Motanin now to evacuate. That's another Bajina, another Bashakal Male, Bukun Malta Shakala. This is a win for Nuer. For the first time, this Denga government to do something like this. For the first time for the Denga government to see Nuer as a human being. That Nuer do not deserve to die. And Nuer cannot be killed like animal by this Tayarat, but Uganda, but Kusunda don't give a damn. It's all about human rights. Lo Denga. Ukuma ta Denga, but you book to Motan ta Nuer, then Nuer is the book to Motan ta Denga, ma Denga fi. Denga fi. Ita patara Nuer ba Tayarat. Nuer bam jibetet, book to be ganam be beggar be clip. Ta Denga. Unat bogol fi dola dag zede. Dola book to Motan kul mayom. Ita Denga ita ba patara Nuer ba Tayarat ba tagde. Nuer bam jibetet. Bam ji buyuta Denga, bam ji mulut, bam ji rang, bam ji ruwang, bam ji ay mal fiu Nuer Denga gribe, Denga de book to kul be yal bataw. Ayam sure, Denga de kul book to be yal bataw. Now, I need to book to Motan with a Nuer and then you call them a rebel. You calling Nuer rebel for Arad Betaw. Nuer my mention for Arad with a Denga. Nuer God for Arad Betaw. You call them, you label them as a rebel. Now that you came outside and you give warning to civilians, it is a good thing. But take a question. I have a question. A very fucking good question. Now that is rural. Lul Ray, God Nuer min law. Joktung Berar. You said with your own mouth, you'll let talk do. That's another ma there in Lajin for roar. And another ma Lajin, another ma there in Nuer for roar, more than Nuer, another ma there in Nuer for Nuerol, another ma there in Nuer for Koba. Okay, it's good. The question now, Lul Lajin La Kuma. Go Rike, more than in Talaude, bigger winning. Bigger winning. That's the question. What is your destination? What is your designated area? That Guamasil Corps government will guarantee them that they will have food, they will have water. That place till the core might be shaken now. You cannot just come outside. You cannot just come outside. Din get Nuere. Din wood Nuere shall we do gar. And then you give warning to Nuer Piara the Betau. That's a Koba. Civilian, Chayagor. Or civilian, Chayagor. Neural civilian, Chayagor. But you are the government. Where do you want them to go? That's the question. You will come back to live video. You will come back publicly to tell Nuer where to go. Because now, you wanting them to leave their house, to leave food, everything they own. It is their land. You are kicking them out of their land. The land but a Denga. The land but a Salbakir. The land but a Denga, she roll down roll Nuer. You kicking them out without shame. Son of Nuer. Got Nuer. Tall in front of people. You telling your own people to leave their land. Big money. That's the question. Big money. Where do you want them to go? We don't have a problem. Tell us, where do you want this civilian to go? Where you will give them food. Because they will leave their food behind. Kwan can walk the aisle. Big dots. Because they've been evicted by their own government. Their own government shamelessly. That you will leave your land. Instead, Okuma Bajim Salam. Salam. You telling civilians to leave their land. Okay. Lulray Ganwara. A guardian. Tiki Guat. Tiki Guat. Al Motanil Bamji Fogo. Yeah, we want to see. Where do you want to take this civilian? It's a machine when. It's a machine more on the wind. More on the guy, the Toro of Yarad without it. But self-it without the Masal Bakir. Ucholton. Udo fall down. My denga agenda. My bizul got a good denga, Pipeleta denga, then go for Yarad without. Like a denga, but if Yarad and Nuer, shamelessly to tell Nuer more than Nuer that gum for Arad Betak. Lano Arad Betak we come to fight. Another machine the shackle enough. Yamda Denga got the shackle with Bargazal, Magalulam the young white. Denga got the shackle with Bargazal. Denga got the shackle for Boron, Ukuma Magalum young white goman on a jail. But shamelessly, son of Nuer betraying his own people. Fikadam with Okuma that you Sudan, what do you call the government? Kalam you and I'm a reject Alma for government. It is son but a law. Law. The Mazon but a Nasser. The Mazon but a Bentiu. The Mazon daga where son ta law. You came outside in front of Nuer Kulu, Alam, to warn your own people. To work it zede. Work it zede. Coach Jatin. Nyet Jatin. Chunu. Where do you want them to go? That's the question. Big one. Big one. You must come back outside to tell us. Big one. More than that, loud woman bum she went. No, Nuer, bigger Patarado, Fiara, the Betao, Fijunuf. We need to know that. That's Ukuma that Junuf said, Ma Bashil Salam. Lakin Bashil, try to eat Bogul more than Nuer, I said, Maba Mulula Danka, young white. Because this will never be done to Danka. That's it about Malaraz with a Danka, Mulonga, one other, Mulonga, one Minawell, it's a Magal, not a will the young white. Yoda, Bullmel guy decision, Bakalaming love. Magalo. Magalo, le Danka, young white, Bakalamde. Bullmel guy decision, Bakalaming love. Matter of the community, but out. A call guard decision, Bakalaming love. Matter of the community, but out. Mulonga one, God for King of Kalaming love. You did not kick his community out. Lakin community Nuer, but Tarado Fiara the Betao. Who then got a give Wallet Nuer, they jabu gabel shamelessly. Muncha wa quidine. Muda Shanbus, Robona Mau Farm Calamdazol. Lo Robona Ba Farm Calamdazol. Dung Linger Ride. Kot Dung Linger Ride. Anna be Gibsula Jadid. The Baba Jadid. Tayarat Jadid. Anna Basilam Nuer. Wana Bagul Shackle Madanga. Anna then shoot Yalta Danga de Tarotobara for Junubran. Kulum. Anna Madder shoot Danga for Junubran. Danga Anna Madder shoot Bain for Junubran. Dung linger right there, Scott. Robona lo farm calamity. If God hear me, then God will do the power. Anna be Gibsula Jadid. The Baba of America. Abram Tang. I go the Baba. Anna be give 200 the Baba and Batalam 200. Anna be give Major to America F-16. F-16. Comsin F-16. Comsin F-16. Anna Batalam Nuer. Anna be give Baburata Nebi Jadid Kai 20. Anna Batalam Nuer. Anna be give Akil Anna be give Dover. Anna be good Nuer Shackle Madanga. Shackle Madanga. Anna Madanga shoot Danga for Junubran. I had a banana Danga for Junub the Octul Kulu. I'll fatal liquid for dollar tani. Lana lo mulunga wan amal inglaf. Mulunga wan amal inglaf. Community without matarado. Bulmel amal inglaf. Community without matarado. Akol kor amal inglaf. Community without matarado. But without shame. Danga be give wallet Nuer. He give for Gadam Batanas. Galu jam in Bill from. That a good family without that. Anna Made Nafi Urur. Anna Made Nafi Akoba. Anna Made Nafi Nurul. My Talada condi with a Nuerkulu. That Talada condi Kulu but a low. That Talada condi with a low Kulu Rodo. So it will be Jimunina. It will be Jimunina to be Jibdanga Bardal. To Jibuna. We should do a little man young. We should do a little man young. Well, it's okay. It's okay. Today, my people, Nuer want money to power. And this is what happened to somebody without power. Nuer money to power. Why? Lana power with said man, Nuer zede. And then gari jibude. Lo the world with a jungle. Lo the world with a afanal. Lo the world with a bentil. Lo the luray. Lo the kunfoch. Yobedi shackle my yalo. Yobedi shackle my family without. Denga bao shall yell man cock jam. Denga bao. to come to do dirty job for that denka. To come do dirty job for that denka. Nana kalam zede. Ma fi denka o beji fi kidam bata Junub Sudan. E gul le motan bata Junub fu wukit dede. Wukit zede. Wukit ta matar. Wukit ta bird. Wukit bata devif. Dat gum fi arada bata. Gum fi arada bata. Uma ba gul le bamshi wen. This is only happening but done by son of Nuer. Garbage son of Nuer. It's left for the denga but Nuer al gan man denga de. Lo do lure fi bil fam. Lo do kong choran le. Lo do kun foy. Lo do tut kaw. Lo do ngwen winchil. Lo do kusum do kul al gan man denga de. This will only happen because of you. Lana budunita denga ma ba mala jazde. Without you, Denga will never do something like this. Kulukul. Kulukul. Denga ma bam chile Nuer sak and mal Nuer fifo. Budunita, without your help, Denga will never dare to do something like this to Nuer. Denga baru Nuer tamam. Basically, the Nuer gede. Denga will just look at Nuer gede and say, no, I ain't gonna try that shit. I ain't gonna try that shit. Denga bushu Nuer gede bas betol ta Nuer gede denga mabota kuchi mutaw das and I will embig Nuer kulu fi arad betaw gal gom law kulu more ugon will be in big one time but gal gom and we will turn your land into a war zone. But the lutu majib salam, you want to turn arad betaw Nuer into a war zone. It's okay. War de baju bamsi. Power come and go. Power come and go. Power there, it come and go. One day, Robona will surprise Junubin. Robona, God will surprise Junubin that Nuer laga guo fi Junub Sudan. That Nuer utumgada la buze kuru dare, Nuer da balga guo Nuer bening nas kedede. Guo Nuer bening nas fi Junub. Guo Nuer bening nas kedede nas bokor fi Junub. Nana jada gada malude, dema ajad benta. Yamdak Mushakal asal fi Juba for 2024. 2013. Mushakal tanya dengrang. Mama janga got. Udenga bur. That they have something they refer to as a pulling majority Bargazal. That's Salva Kiir. Ma Bargazal lagar bu kursi de uman karab. Kursi bra John Garang. Lazim kursi de shilo bara. Fiyeta pulling majority. Kalam de ja katalu Nuer kullu. Ma fi denga bur katalu. Katalu Nuer brawas. Katalu Nuer, Reis Vadadenga ja waga fugedam nas kulum, lebiskake, gal 1991 will never happen again. The world know that these people were killed intentionally. Katalu man adil gede bador. Mikila kan bukun siyaza. Amalu target Nuer braw. Now Mikila ta Nasser asal. Mikila ta Nasser happen again. Mikila da SPLIO few shuluk, SPLIO few denga, SPLIO few gabel kulu. Denga went to target Nuer braw. Now the sejinu kulu da the denga the Nuer braw. Not so what happened in 2013. The same thing happened in 2013. Either ba asal kaide political, then denga will turn it again Nuer. Fi gabel taanu kutara lele fi Juba min gabel taanu min SPLIO they are free. Ma fi zol sejino man. Lakin Nuer kulu sejino. The same thing with 2013. Fi na amal kalam de katir min gabel kutara kulu denga. Lakin ja amalu target Nuer. Well, one upon a time, Omer Bashir gal shunu. Omer Bashir gal asharadel kala uman yamshi uman barja. That uman ma bagdari akam nufuzum. Asharade kala yamshi kalam bata Reis Omer Bashir. They are Asharada Banadu Dangade. This is what we were talking about. This is what Omer Bashir were talking about. That Asharada Banadu Dangade, ma Bagdar Bakamnas. Lani to ma Bakamnas Kade, Kalamata Omer Bashir from Malbatao. Omer Bashir Gal, not the Barja. Mushakal Taburan, Maha Emedi, Benta, Junubin Kul Barja Shumal. Lokan Mabi Mushakal Emedi, Maburan, can Mabi Zulbeji Junub Sudan. Lana Kalam Omer Bashir Gal from Malbatao, that Asharadel ma Bakamnas. Asharadel ma Bakamnas. very soon Sudan de bokun kwes ujunubin kulo nas kutar barja Sudan udola dak ma shitet lana lo denga gada marat akol kol marat darab sila fi juba ma katalo ma taradu kumindi bitaw nial dang nial tala min juba gadam salbakir gada ma sejenu Paul Malung tala